This is going to be the review of the Husqvarna 562XP. It's a 60cc chainsaw that is part of Husqvarna's professional line. This one has a few modifications done to it. Sports a 24-inch ultralight Sumara bar, full comp, full chisel, and then I got the clutch cover ceramic coated on this. This is just a little smudge mark, but normally it's just like that. Got a muffler mod done to this one. The exhaust is opened up under the port. Great 60cc saw if you're looking for something. Can run up to a 28-inch bar. Highly recommended. I believe it does have rev boost, and yeah, it's a great saw. I'd highly recommend.